I'm Andy.
We are from the IET, and we are the delivery partners for First LEGO League in the UK and Ireland.
Wherever you are in the world, we want to welcome you to the First LEGO League Challenge RePLAY season.
We are so excited that you've registered for RePLAY. We know that this season may be different, but we still know it's going to be an incredible experience.
You might have registered to attend a regional qualifier or the class pack, but either way, you are going to be getting lots of kit.
The first thing will be this. This is the RePLAY challenge set, and in this is the season mat,
along with lots of bags of LEGO!
These bags are numbered and relate to the mission models on the robot game table.
The build instructions for the mission models can be found on this website. Now, you'll also be receiving a set of guides.
Yes, the team meeting guide,
engineering notebook,
and the robot game rulebook.
Inside of these are 12 sessions, which lay out for both team members and for the coaches or teachers the journey throughout the season.
The team meeting guide is for the coach or teacher, and there are loads of helpful tips to support you throughout the season, as well as some really great checkpoints to make sure you've covered everything you need to.
Now, the engineering notebooks, they are for the team members. And this year there is also going to be an interactive digital version available to everyone. Now inside, lots of space to be able to record ideas, drawings, prototypes, solutions, everything that the team has been working on throughout the sessions.
The robot game rulebook is, as the name suggests, the book where all the rules are for the robot game.
But you'll also find the instructions on how to lay out the table and how to score all the different missions.
So we suggest you read this really carefully before you start, and it's also handy to keep it with you at all times when you're working on your robot.
To compete in the robot game, you are going to need access to a robot, and this year, you've got a few choices.
The Spike Prime sets.
Or any of the Mindstorm sets.
In these are everything you need to be able to build your robot.
And here are a couple we built earlier on. Now, alongside these, you're also going to need access to a device like a tablet or a laptop to be able to download the software and to program your robots.
The robot game is just one of 4 parts of First LEGO League Challenge, as well as the robot game.
You've also got the robot design,
the innovation project,
and the core values.
All 4 parts are equally weighted and equally important in First LEGO League Challenge.
Now, within the robot design, this is where you are going to communicate how you designed your robot, but also explain how the code makes the robot work.
In the innovation project, you'll be challenged to identify a real-world problem to get people more active. Now, you can use inspiration from the world around you, from your communities, but also from the mission models on the robot game table.
Now, once you've identified your problem, you can come up with a solution. And using a prototype, a model, a drawing, it doesn't matter, it's up to you, but you are going to communicate and explain your solution in a 5-minute presentation.
Now, the core values are integrated into absolutely everything you do throughout First LEGO League.
It's about how you work as a team. It's about how you face the challenge and how you engage with others around you.
But as well as all that, make sure you have loads and loads of fun.
Now, ultimately, you are working towards either your seasonal event for your regional or qualifier, or towards your class pack event. Now, we at the IET will be sending you regular email blasts to update you on the season, but also to let you know about training webinars.
All the information you need can be found within the guides.
You can also visit our website, firstlegoleague.co.uk, where you'll find lots of other resources, including our 12-session videos.
I think that's about it from us. We want to wish you loads and loads of luck, and we can't wait to see what you come up with.
Absolutely. So, are you ready?
In 3,
2,
1,
LEGO!